So I know, just speaking about that subject, actually, I want to know what's like the setbacks that you experience with renting cars, because everybody talks about, I get cash for every month, it's lit, you know, people driving my cars, but they don't ever talk about, you know, somebody done got my car stolen, somebody done crashed my car. So just besides the bumper coming off, like what's some of the setbacks that you've experienced, just your experience with Turo?
Oh yeah, so people just being ignorant, you know, just like little stuff, not respecting your sound system. They definitely not gonna respect your sound system, tell you that now. Or you know, your seats and stuff. I've had seats torn. You know, all these are easy fixes, so not to discourage anybody, but I've had that happen. Number of different things. You know, you get it back with no gas. The damn thing costs $60 to fill up. So and the booking might have only been $175. So now you just cut into your booking price. So stuff like that. But other than that, it's a pretty smooth process. I would definitely suggest that every single body should put a car on Turo. Right. I mean, I know they won't, so that's why I say stuff like that all the time. Like everyone should be doing it, but should, you know, because it's gonna be free regardless. I don't care if you got a Tesla, put it on there, make it free. You know, because in perspective, if your Tesla $500 a month, you rent a jump for $125 a day, which is cheap. You know what I mean? You already get your money back in 4 days. Right. You know, so it's like you rented your car for 4 days, or let's just round it to 1,000. Right. You know what I mean? Now 8 days went by out of 30 days in a month, your car's paid off. And
you're basically just driving for free.
Right. So by the end of whatever your term is, your 36 months, whatever, your car gonna be paid off. Your car's still gonna be good. You know, don't worry about that. Yeah.
What's your advice for people that like want to get into the car rental business? Of course, you said it's free to sign up, but like, what's some realistic advice that'll get them pushing? Something that you get out of it that's really great. That this is the reason why you do Turo.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, honestly, anybody could do it. I would say that. I mean, no matter how bad your credit is, you know, check out the app websites to buy cars. Carvana's a leader right now and just locking people in to have bad credit. It's fine, you know, so you can always get a car. I mean, the hardest thing I would say is just to, you know, the maturity, making sure that you keep the car clean, making sure you get the oil changes, you know, making sure that your listing is proper and you keeping the good reviews. Other than that, like, it's really a process that is not hard. Everybody should be doing it.
Okay.
Really, yeah.